Yo, what's up everybody? It's your channel Discover with Nasir, and we're about to jump headfirst into a city that screams luxury Dubai. This place is known for its extravagance, its opulence, its sheer over-the-topness. But here's the thing, you don't need a sheikh's bank account to experience the magic of Dubai. We're peeling back the layers and uncovering the secrets to living the luxe life without emptying your wallets. From killer deals on 5-star hotels to mouth-watering meals that won't break the bank, I've got your back. Stick around, smash that subscribe button, and let's unlock Dubai on a budget. Alright, let's talk accommodations. Dubai's known for its iconic hotels, but those nightly rates can be scary. But fear not, my friends, because we're going for budget-friendly luxury. My first tip, ditch the traditional hotel and check out hotel apartments. You get more space, often a kitchen, and the prices are way more digestible. Think Al Barsha or Dara for prime examples. Next up, we're playing the last-minute game. Apps like Booking.com and Agoda are your new best friends. Seriously, last-minute deals can score you a 4-star hotel for half the price. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, Airbnb is where it's at. Private rooms with insane views? Don't mind if I do. Oh, and one last thing. Staying near a metro station? Genius move. Saves you money on transport, which means more dirhams for experiences. Alright, time to address the elephant in the room: food. Dubai's culinary scene is off the charts, but those fancy restaurants can drain your bank account faster than you can say gold-plated burger. But listen up, because we're about to unlock a world of affordable luxury. First things first, forget the Michelin stars and head straight for the hidden gems. Al Ustad Special Kebab, mouth-watering kebabs that will rock your world. Ravi Restaurant, authentic Pakistani food that's easy on the wallet. And for a taste of global cuisine without the hefty price tag, hit up the Global Village or Souk Al Bahar. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Oh, and speaking of not being disappointed, brunch. Dubai does brunch like nowhere else, and some spots offer insane value. We're talking bottomless everything for a fraction of the cost. Keep your eyes peeled, my friends. Chapter 3. Here's the thing about Dubai, you don't need to spend a fortune to have an amazing time. This city is packed with free and affordable experiences that will blow your mind. First up, the Dubai Fountain Show at Burj Khalifa. It's iconic, it's mesmerizing, and it's absolutely free. Next, we're heading to the Dubai Mall Aquarium. You don't even have to go inside to be wowed by the marine life, just stroll by and marvel at the giant tanks from the outside. And of course, no trip to Dubai is complete without a beach day. Jumeirah Beach is calling your name, and it won't cost you a single dirham. Oh, and for a dose of culture, head to the Al Fahidi historical neighborhood. Soak in the heritage vibes, wander the narrow alleys, and get lost in the history all for free. Dubai on a budget? We're just getting started. Chapter 4. Alright, let's talk transportation. Dubai's metro system is a thing of beauty. It's clean, efficient, and super affordable. Grab yourself a Knoll card, load it up, and you've got unlimited rides at your fingertips. Taxis? Avoid them like the plague. Ride-sharing apps like Careem and Uber are your new best friends for longer distances. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. And if you're feeling touristy, hop on the Dubai ferry. It's just a few dirhams, and you'll be treated to incredible views of the marina and the coastline, see? Getting around Dubai without spending a fortune is totally doable. Chapter 5. So, there you have it, my friends, Dubai on a budget. We've uncovered the secrets to accommodation hacks, budget-friendly eats, free experiences, and transportation triumphs. Dubai doesn't have to be about breaking the bank. It's about immersing yourself in a different culture, experiencing the magic of a city that never sleeps, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. And the best part? You can do it all without emptying your wallet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. Until next time, peace out. So we just scratched the surface of Dubai, you know. This city is pulsing with energy, with life, with a million stories waiting to be told. And the best part is, you can write your own Dubai story, no matter your budget. Remember those travel hacks, those hidden gems, those moments that took your breath away? That's what it's all about. Get out there, explore, get lost, and discover the magic of Dubai. Peace.